Peck, you want to play the game? You want to play Angry Birds? You can play if you tell me. What did the birds say? What did the pig say? One more time. What did the pig say?
You're funny, Zach. Are you an Angry Bird fanatic? Fanatic.
Do you like Angry Birds in Space?
Is that your favorite one? Yes. Do you have Angry Bird underwear?
No.
No, you don't?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. You're right.
Do you have Angry Bird pajamas?
Yes.
Do you have Angry Bird toys?
Yes.
Do you play on Mom's phone, Dad's phone, the iPad, your iPod Touch? You play it everywhere?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.